On 30 minutes, I want to look out for break of structure and see if price will come back to fill up a retest. So this is what we have. This is the rally that played out, and watch the rally. It's actually a bullish channel, a bullish ascending channel. And this rally, if you on the floor, put it on the roof, and you make some corrections. The rally started from there, then you can seal and connect it with the body of that 30 minutes candle. It's the end of that line. Correct. 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 So that was 30 minutes rally. First rise and fall, second rise and fall, third rise and fall, and last fall on the breakout from this channel. So whichever way the market comes, we always have a strategy to address every single scenario that the market presents. We are prepared for it. Now you see you have a breakout from ascending channel and see what price is doing. So let's see that the market have created another descending trend line and price has broken out completely from the bullish 30 minutes channel. And we also have from the bottom to the floor the break of structure. And also market respecting it. So creating a false buy at every level of touch of the descending trend line. But we finally made up his mind on 2656.3 and buyers stepped in by close of New York session and Sydney Open. They are pushed on to add 100 pips to the price action of SAE USD 30 minutes. So what we see here is that we have price break above 2665. That's a good one. Break above 2665. You can see a break above that level and price has retested it. Is a confirmation of buy impulse. It feels good to see buyers break that level and quickly retest it to tell you the main business. So it feels good to see that buyers could do this after break of that level. That's a very strong sell level where a lot of people have already placed as CC7, CC5 for a sell, but the buyers ditched that level, retested it, and they are up. Now, layer by layer, they also need to breach. They also need to breach this level, 2674. They need to breach 2674. If they breach 2674, then they will ultimately face another structure, which I see somewhat. We have price creating floor here is another floor, and this is the breakout from that floor. So that will be their almost looking like the final litmus test. You see that structure was broken on 30 minutes and as well tested, and we continued on that bearish path. So if you were observant and patient, you would have caught that bearish move. So we saw that correction on daily, especially by close of the New York session on Friday. And I made analysis and in-depth analysis in that. and the price will come to fulfill it. So it is what it is. You can see that structure, price create a demand flow, another demand flow. And when it came down, we broke the demand flow. Then it come to a supply boost and market sold off from the 2680 into 2560, 2657 and the 2656. And at that level, it's reversed. So what we see here is a classic money move. But I think at the end of the day, we we should not be carried away by this move. The reason is because you have a fake breakout on daily. You have a fake breakout on daily, and you check on 4 hours, it broke out from the descending trend line and return back. So we need a clear directional bias. The one way we get the clear directional bias is we see price breach this triangular structure. So I want to see if it is possible. If buyers can breach this roof, if they break it, then they will come back to retest the broken ascending channel. This is the floor. So if this is possible, that will be a good time. And at this level, then they will be retesting the previous high. And I will tell you if that happens, the buying pressure might from this level start to decrease. So we have a potential sell opportunity on touch of this broken structure. The broken demand floor is a supply roof. There is a sell opportunity on that wall. So when we get there, I believe that buyers will be chased away from this level. When they get here, they're going to be chased away. They will be rejected from that level. They will not be welcomed at that level. So they have to force themselves to break above this structure. We ultimately make price continue in the same fashion, where we are going to have our next sell zone to be in the zone of 2000. So if price returns to this level, we are aiming at 2716. Tomorrow is Tuesday, in that of Tuesday, New York session. New York session Tuesday is going to be around 2718, and the previous high was 2726. So price might decide to come since it's already building liquidity. So this might also be a fake breakout from an ascending channel, and price might return and continue to trade in the same fashion. This is very much possible. So we'll look at it and trade it structure by structure and look at whatever it does. If it's breaking up, if it breaks up, we wait for price to return. If it returns, then we can look for an opportunity to enter. But here is a very strong level to contest. So I want to see if on 30 minutes they're able to break this structure. If the buyers smash this structure, then ultimately the roof will be contested because the structure is now showing, it's now giving impulse correction. That is the lower low, lower high, lower low. These are all lower low. So this could be the new lower high, and at that level, draw down again. And at this level, we have a very strong price action at this level, 45 level. There's a very strong price action at this level. If price comes to this level, also feel free to take a buy at this level and take a few scalp of maybe 100 people move at this level. If price returns at this level, you can get this level. So it will be a good time to look at the consolidation, look at the structure, and look at the property of the structure at 45 level market consolidated after the serial consolidation for 30 minutes. Price have left sincerely and is yet to return. So on the technical return into this structure will show us a significant buy opportunity. But we are glad that our analysis on 266, 2655 and 5657 played out. Price is attempting to hit a major supply roof 2674.18, but that is normal issue. I want buyers to try to pull. It will continue to uptrend up to might just be gone. So that was a nice analysis on 4 hours we pulled out. We pulled out a very nice analysis on 4 hours. And feels good to see that guy going. It feels good to see it going. So we are glad that that analysis played out. I can see the structure in 30 minutes. So what we want to see is price come down. If price comes down here, there's a very high probability that it might break the structure to return to a buying floor. If it comes to a buying floor, then on technical, we we may have no option than to see see buying extend maybe this time up to 2,700 2,723. So this could possibly be the case. So it is good to see that the buying potential played out. It feels good to see it. It feels good to see that buying potential played out. So this is what we have for SAUS in 30 minutes, Shabby FSO. So I think here we have the potential floor for buy. This is a nice floor for buy. So if price returns here, it will coincide with this level. So if you come down here, and to be a good time to look for buy opportunity like this for the 5 level. The 5 level look decent. Then I think they will have to contest with the roof, and if they manage to break that roof, that will be a good time for them. So it's a nice buy idea.